So what is Barrian? Barrian is a brand new IPO. We've been trading for about 4 months. We are focused in the United States. Our main asset in Nevada is called Bolo. It is Carlin type. It is not on the Carlin trend, but it is all oxide so far. Our secondary asset is a major past producer in New Mexico called the Sleeper, with about 17 million ounces of silver previously produced. So I think in this business, timing is everything. And a year ago when I decided to create this company, people thought I was crazy. So a year ago, I signed my main asset. We went public in April, and we're drilling with 2 holes complete, and our 4th hole complete tomorrow as gold is hitting new 6-year highs. Who is Barrian? Barrian is a company that I built with Brad Telfer, the son of mining financier gold legend Ian Telfer. We have Jim Gregg, who is the president of Benchmark Metals. On Thursday, Eric Sprott came into his company for $4 million. Without Jim, we couldn't have secured these assets. He's a fantastic guy and helps us out a lot. Chris Raffel, our PGO, who runs Apex Geos, does all the work, or most of the work, for Benchmarks, Gold Standard, Fiore. So we have a very skilled technical team that is down there on site right now, and we expect to ship our first batch of rock chips to the lab this Wednesday. We have 43 million shares out. I am the largest shareholder. I bought 500,000 shares in the market since we came trading. Share performance, we are at 18 cents right now. We were 12 cents when we announced drilling with completed holes on Wednesday, and we look forward to a lot of success in the near future. Why we chose Nevada? Nevada is #1, period, in the world for mining. It's, you know how long it's going to take to get a permit, which we are fully permitted. We deal with the Bureau of Land Management, and that is all. It's home to many multi-million ounce gold deposits, and it's accessible all year round. Our flagship asset, Bolo, is a Carlin type, but it's not on the Carlin trend. It's all oxidized from surface with some very successful previous drilling campaigns. It's very easy to get to my asset. You get on the highway for 4 hours straight, and then you make a left. We get to the Hot Creek Ranch. There's infrastructure on site. The rancher supplies accommodations, food, diesel, gasoline, equipment for us, which means that we do not have to drive back and forth to the nearest town. We all stay on site. I was there last week for a week. I woke up with a beetle sleeping on my head at 2 in the morning. It was not fun, but we got a lot of stuff done. High grade. So for Nevada, these are phenomenally high grade numbers, considering Fiore mines at 0.5 of a gram. So this gives us a lot of excitement. This hole right here is the Uncle Sam silver deposit, which is a previous past producer. Nevada recognizes this as a previous mine. Here is Bolo. Uncle Sam, which is high-grade silver, South Mine Fault, which is high-grade gold, and the Northern Extension. Right now we are focusing our drill program, which is 1,800 meters on the South Mine Fault. The best hole to date there was 133 meters of 1.3 grams per ton, within that 3.5 grams. And they only went down part of the way. The previous company had a small budget. They drilled based on mineralization from surface, and they finished their program and they moved on. In 2017, no one cared about these results. So what did we do is we shot some geophysics. And the geophysics showed us that it looks like anomalies can go down well beyond 300 meters. So what we're doing is a small 1,800-meter drill program to prove that those high-grade holes go substantially deeper. So we're doing roughly 8 to 10 holes, anywhere from 200 to 300 meters per hole. If we can keep seeing oxides when we pull it out, we will keep going deeper. So this just shows you we have priority 1 and priority 2 targets. We have enough targets that after a successful drilling campaign, we can keep going on to the 2020 drill program with the green targets. These are the commitments. Very simple. When I signed this asset a year ago, I got an extremely good deal. I did not pay 1 cent in cash. It's an exploration spend and share payments, which I can accelerate at any time. Our New Mexico asset, the Sleeper, is a major past producer. This asset has kind of been left alone for around 40 years. Between 1890 and 1945, that was produced. There is high-grade tailings on the property. Recovery rates were only 50% back then. We could reprocess those tailings and get some high-grade numbers. This is a project that is costing me no money to hold, and I get 100% of this. Just some share payments, which can be accelerated. The only thing this costs me is $14,000 roughly a year in BLM payments. Exploration timeline. From being public to drilling in 4 months is extremely quick. We had our permits, we had our drill rig ready, everyone was ready to go, and here we are with estimated results starting in early October. If we can have success like the previous drill holes, I think this would be a phenomenal story, and Barrian would come out on top. And just to keep it short and sweet, thank you very much.
Thanks, Mike. Good presentation.